afternoon. My name is Jeanne Huey. I am an ethics lawyer. We're going to talk about ethics today, but dealing with clients, confidentiality, fee agreements, getting paid, and ending the relationship. It sounds like a lot. It's going to move quickly. I do hope you'll ask me any questions during the program. I'd be happy to answer them. And advancing that, there I am. I'm at Huey here in Dallas, Texas. But enough about me. So here's where you've been for the most part, right? In class. Ethics, the theoretical framework, the model rules, and you're thinking, well, that's not the same as my state rules or jurisdictional rules where I'm going to be licensed. But I'm going to tell you it mostly is. Most of the states adhere very closely to the ABA model rules, so that's what we're talking about today. So you've been there in law school. Where are you going? It's exciting, and I'm so happy for all of you. You're going to be fabulous lawyers. You already know everything that you need to know to get started, right? But in practice, ethics are what we use honestly every day to deal with our clients, the courts, opposing counsel, our own staff, the partners we work for, and adhering closely to those standards will really stand you in good stead. To do that, you need to know what they are and some of the fine points. We're going to talk about that. Most situations that are tricky, if a client gets difficult or opposing counsel, there are usually answers somewhere in the comments to the ethics rules. And I want to guide you to some of those. So, of course, there are gray areas. And when that happens, you should be advised by a senior partner, an ethics expert like myself, or almost every state bar has a hotline where someone can answer questions. I will let you know from the outset, I'm an ethics lawyer. I defend lawyers in Texas before the grievance committee. And so I'm going to give you some tips about how not to get in trouble. But this is not a avoiding malpractice presentation. That's not helpful to you, I don't think. It's not fun to listen to. It doesn't give you action items to become a better lawyer, a more professional lawyer, a lawyer with integrity, to start to build your reputation. But I will give you some examples from my work. So it won't be heavy on that, but I think it's illustrative. I do want to tell you one thing here. Your state bar ethics hotline, you might ask if it's confidential, because here in Texas, for example, it's not. So many of my clients are surprised